Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a DIY school supplies video. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Yvonne. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So let's dive right into this video. I'm going to show you how to make some really cute notebook covers using home supplies, and also how to make these amazing fluffy pens. So this first DIY is a cake inspired notebook cover. So the first thing I did was apply a layer of PVA glue to the entire paper. Then I took some vibrant confetti and sprinkled it all over in a gradient style. You want to put more confetti at the bottom and less at the top. And then I used the back of a paintbrush to individually place some confetti where I felt it was needed. And finally, once I was happy with how it looked, I wrote notebook at the top, and we are done with the first DIY. This one is super cute and unique. I love it. Next DIY is how to create a watercolor cover without using actual watercolors. I have been doing this trick for a while and it works really well. You just gotta experiment with it. So I took some highlighters and just scribbled it over a piece of plastic. You can also use regular markers if you like. Then I dropped water on it and placed a piece of paper on top, pressing down firmly. I would highly recommend spraying the water on, as it would evenly distribute and it would blend a lot more nicely. And then finally I wrote notebook on it and you're done. Now for the third DIY, I am going to show you how to create a really easy marble effect. So I scribbled a black marker on a plastic sheet and mixed it with some water as a very dilute solution. And just created random lines where I want the marble effect to be. Then I added a bit more of the black marker to create a more saturated colour. And did this on the inside of each line. And then finally I used a really thin black pen to emphasize the marble look. And then I wrote a notebook in a gold pen. It's kind of lopsided, but we move. For the next DIY, I'm going to be creating a doodle cover. So first, get some random doodles with your pencil. You can do anything, I just did avocados. Then outline it with a black felt tip. You can leave it as it is and colour it in as you go if you're bored in lesson. But I just coloured it in now to show you how it would look. Then I labelled it notes and we are done. Now for my personal favourite DIY, I am going to show you how to make these really cute fluffy pens. So first, wrap the wool around the cardboard strip. And then place hot glue along the edge and quickly attach this to the pen. And then cut along the top part to get the cardboard out. Then you want to repeat this, placing each strip next to each other along the pen. I ended up doing about 6 strips. Then trim it down and you're done with the fluffy pens. These are so cute, I love it so much. Yo guys, if you want to see a part 2, comment down below. Thank you so much for over 2,000 subscribers, it means so much to me. Let me know how I can give back to you guys. But yeah, check out my other videos, I'll leave the link in the description. That's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. And good. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.